Well, Invest Karnataka 2025 is underway in Bengaluru, Karnataka, and you can see over here, of course, Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, DK Shivkumar, has reached along with Industries and Commerce Minister M.B. Patil. They're, of course, seeing the various stalls over here. This is a stall on the treasures of Karnataka by Kalaloka. That's something, of course, they're seeing, obviously, seeing products manufactured in Karnataka. They're currently, of course, seeing the stalls over here, obviously, of course, admiring the work by the locals over here. Also, quickly, of course, showing you this is, the area of course, the stalls. Big global companies have also set up stalls here. Also, other local companies have also set up stalls here in this amalgamation, of course, of industry here in Bengaluru. Quickly, just speaking with you, the Deputy CM and, the Industries Minister were just here. Did you get a chance to show them?
Yeah. He was really coordinating with us in order to showcase our product there. And I think
your product. What's your company and what's your product? Tell us a bit.
we make satellites smarter by putting softwares into it. Basically, we enable satellite operators by reducing the cost of operation and increasing the number of people they can serve to. So basically, what we do is we put a software suite into our satellites, and then we enable the satellite operators to showcase where the wildfire is exactly happening, or maritime anomalies, climate change detection, or national security.
So AI in space is what you're clearly saying.
Yeah, we enable AI applications onto the space with our software, and right now you see the hype of AI, right? So any company, any person who is coming up with a new idea of AI, they are putting out their companies. We are enabling them to put their AI models into space and get the insights directly onto their phone.
What's your full name?
My name is Ayushman.
You're the founder of SkyServe?
No, I am the business development associate of
Okay, of SkyServe. Very interesting. So, of course, AI, tech, energy, these are some of the, of course, the focus areas here at this summit. And, of course, also now let's quickly take a look at another very interesting, of course, display over here. Tell us about it. Flying Wedge is the company's name?
Yeah.
What is this display? Tell us a bit about it.
This is an unmanned aircraft. This is a miniature version of MALE UAV, and we named it as a FWD-200FB. And
It says India's indigenous bomber UAV.
it is the first indigenous male aircraft, unmanned aircraft, and this is a miniature version of it. And we represent in Air India show that is of 6.5 meter wingspan, and that is a capacity of 1,500 kilometer range and 24 hours of endurance.
Okay. So basically, obviously, your endeavor is to, further Atmanirbharta in defense.
Yes, sir. This is completely made in our in-house only, complete in our company only. From design to manufacturing stage, we did in our office, and we want to show that human casualty should be less and autonomous thing. Without pilot, everything should operate.
Let's quickly just go to the stall now that DK Shivkumar and M.B. Patil were at, and let's just ask them about the conversation there and the products also on display. So very, very quickly, we just saw, of course, are you from this stall? Yes, you just saw, of course, DK Shivkumar and M.B. Patil here. Are they are purchasing? They like that?
At this Mysore silk sari, we are proud. This is a very beautiful color. And
Deputy CM has selected the sari, huh?
yeah. Shivkumar Sirji has selected this one sari, and also they are paying that amount right now, and we are generating bill on that VIP.
And this is from where?
This is from KSSC from MG Road. This is
And
Mysore.
it's locally manufactured in Karnataka.
This manufacturing practice belongs to Mysore, and we are having our own outlets in Mysore and also as well as Bangalore. This is a pure crepe silk, sir. This is very famous in not only in India and all over the world. This is a 100 and more years company.
The Deputy CM there doing some shopping, as you can clearly see as well, selecting that particular color and outfit. We will, of course, continue to get you more updates from the Invest Karnataka Summit for the time being with the journalists Venkatesh Perumal, Uday Pratap Singh in Bengaluru for NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.